Let's talk to Joshua Mahony. He's Chief Market Analyst at Scope Markets. Always great to see you, Josh. So tell us a little bit more about More Thread. Is it China's NVIDIA?
Well, in some ways you could say that, certainly as you've alluded to, the fact that it's being led by what was the general manager of China at NVIDIA. They essentially started operations roughly 5 years ago. So you've got to bear in mind that they're well behind NVIDIA on this search to become a global GPU producer. Ultimately, we're now in a position where the Chinese have realized they have to become self-sufficient in this. So you're talking about a company that is part of a push to try and develop a fully vertically integrated AI ecosystem. And essentially, this is them pushing one of the main producers of GPUs in China to the forefront. But of course, they need funding. And so the ability to get them to market as quickly as possible will be absolutely key here. Yeah. And so certainly you would hope that down the line they're going to be able to become a competitor with NVIDIA. But certainly as things stand, if you're looking at the really sort of cutting edge chips, they're still quite far behind on that front, but certainly things take time, and this is part of a concerted effort by the Chinese to be able to compete and be able to create their own AI market, essentially, away from the products coming out of the US.
So this is why you think they're racing it through this 88 days from filing the application. Super fast, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's no surprise. Ultimately, the star market is for companies just like this, companies that there is a sort of cutting edge to it. It's linked into the tech sector. It has a sort of national reason for getting to market as quickly as possible and getting funding. Generally, the average for a company to get onto the market is around 200 days. This is 88 days. So they want to get it to the market as quickly as possible. They're in a position where, yes, they might have some sort of agreement with the US on some fronts, but there's still major question marks around the ability to gain these kind of chips. So certainly they need to get it funded, and they need to get this expansion going as quickly as possible, and that's really why they've rushed this one through.
Josh Mahony, thanks so much, but don't go away. We'll get back to you a little bit later on in the show to talk about financial markets.